Hello everybody and welcome back. Today we're going to get the text code from a website. So we have to use a library in Python called requests. We have to import that. If you don't have this library on your machine, you're going to have to go into your command prompt and type pip3, I think it's install requests, and then you can install it using pip. So if you don't have the module already on there. Okay, so I'm going to import OS as well. Nah, I won't need OS, so I'm not going to import that. Nope. So I'm going to create a function called website. And I'm going to type entry into here, and then I'm going to type input, and I want to ask the user to type website URL. Now you have to type it in full when you're doing this. So I'm going to create a variable here called content, which is going to be equal to requests dot get entry. So the user is going to type in the website here www.com, and the requests is going to get it from here, and then I'm going to just print a message out to the user, please wait, and then we're going to print out the content, and that's going to be content dot text. Okay, and now we're just going to type in website to run the program, and we're just going to, so let's just save that there. We're just going to run the program. Okay, so there you go. So type in the website. So I'm going to type in something like https // I don't know, ajan.com here. Okay, and we're just going to hit enter, and got a little bit of a primary request. Let's have a look. Ooh, yes. Made a little bit of a mistake there. Okay, just done that again. So let's do this. So let's type in the URL https let's say ajan.com / there. There we go. Please wait. Okay, so it's squeezed in all those lines, so let me just show them to you. Hopefully, double click on it. Okay, here we go. So that's from the website. There we go. We just done that, downloaded it, and it's all off the front page of the website. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.